Showing you how to improve access to your digital world.
ITS is committed to providing accessible technology and educational resources. ECU provides Read and Write as an accessibility tool or assistive technology. This is a free download for all ECU staff, faculty, and students. The way to get to it is to click on this search box and type Download Center. Then click the icon here. And here's the link, ECU Download Center. Click that. You will then scroll down until you find Read and Write. You will click here to access the software. Click that link. And since I have Windows, I'm going to install this version 11. I click here to download. It asks me to log in. And then at the bottom here it asks me if I want to save it or open it. I'm going to click open. It opens up this software for opening up a zip file, and I'm going to double click the setup exe, and it starts running it and installing it. And when this bar is green all the way across, it's done, and the icon for Read and Write will be on the screen.